Hello, it's Alex and I'm here today with another Hoover. Yes, another one. Sorry, I'm twisting the camera around like a lunatic. I'm going to sort of keep me out of shot a bit here. Woo. This Hoover was given to me by my friend Errol and it's really good, and I've done a few short videos of me hoovering with it. But it's making a horrible noise at the moment. And I don't know what's happened. I don't know if something's got into the motor. So I'm going to have to investigate. I guess I'll plug it in and put it on so you can hear the horrible noise. So you know what I'm on about. Excuse me. I mean, it was always noisy, but it's got a bit worse lately. There we go, plugged in. Yeah, that's the button on. Is it? It doesn't sound very good. It didn't sound like that when I first got given it. I'm giggling. I just remembered Raimi. Raimi's trying to sleep. He's got a migraine. Oops. I'm not laughing at him having a migraine. I'm laughing at my lack of empathy here, putting on a very noisy vacuum cleaner. Anyway, I'll do this plug. I'm going to try and take it apart. Oh, excuse me. And see why it's making that horrible noise. Yeah, the bag's not full. Yeah. It's got to be something to do with the motor. Right, let's start by taking this plastic cover off. Because this Hoover isn't a genuine Hoover. It's a bit of a knockoff, I think. I think it's still really old. But it's a vacuum cleaner rather than a Hoover. Right, here we go. Ooh, cobwebs. Cobwebs. What have we got down here? Gosh, where do I start, eh? What am I even looking at? How do I access the fan? God, I don't know. Help! How do I get into this? And that's all like, oh, does that come off? Oh! Yeah, that's on a big spring. So does this come out? I don't know. Oh, it's run on a belt, isn't it? So how do you get it apart? Oh, you take this cover off. Do you? Oof. Oh. Yeah. Okay. There's the belt. So, does it still sound terrible if the belt's not on? Probably. The motor feels a bit stiff. I reckon that motor needs attention. That really needs to be taken apart, doesn't it? OMG. So with the belt off now, does this thing push out? Does this come out? Doesn't seem to be coming out. There's no movement there. You'd think that would come out of there. That's metal, that thing. It must do, because you can change the belt and the belt's got to go around it. This is, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. This looks like maybe, nope. Oh yeah, look, here it comes. Oh, wow. That's a big lump of metal, that. Blimey. Oh, okay. So that, oh. Oh. That comes out of there. Oh. What's it now? Broken it. Dun dun dun. Broken it. Definitely broken it. Oh, bits keep falling out as well. Doesn't help I haven't got a very good light in here. Is that it? Oh, there it is. Right. So that fell out. That come out. Oh. Lots of hair. Gross. And that screws on. Okay. And the belt just goes over. Okay, I'll put that to one side for the minute. Let's see how we might be able to get this motor out. Easier said than done, I reckon. I honestly have no idea how this comes apart. Absolutely no idea. I'm just going to take some screws out and just see if anything moves. I'm really struggling to get this Hoover apart at all. I noticed that the bag, the Hoover bag, was quite full. Although there was lots of room up the top, it was sort of jammed at the bottom, so I'm just gonna... I'm looking at the instructions how to fit. This was the one that I used in the Celebrity just now. Roll it up. Okay. This is scary. It's really hard to get the band on. It's awkward. How did people cope back in the day doing this shit? Oh! Is this even the right thing? Oh, I think I did it. Not very well, but... Is it on? Just about. I feel like I'm going to rip the bag. Whoa. Okay, that's better. It's on. Right, back in there you go. Oh yeah, the zip goes down, which is strange. Normally you zip things up, don't you? You zip this down. I'm hoping it's just the bag. Ow! Oh, spring. Finger in the spring. Because I can't see how this thing comes apart. I keep unscrewing things and nothing's moving. Right, well, let's see what it sounds like with the roller off and the new bag in. See if it makes any difference. It does kind of sound better, I think. That does kind of sound better. For some reason, the motor feels freer as well. It's almost like it needs a lubrication, but I don't know how to get in there to lubricate it. There must be a way of doing it, but I can't see how this comes apart. And to be honest, I can't really be bothered with it. So I'm going to put the screws back in and say sod it, and then we'll see if it works okay now I've changed the bag. Right then, let's see what happens. Is it going to blow up? Maybe, maybe not. Got my socks on today that are meant to look like cat feet. Oh, I got the wheel setting wrong and the cat shit itself. I'm so sorry, Arlo. Oh. Arlo doesn't like hoovers, and I've trapped you in the room with a hoover. I'm so sorry. How thoughtless of me. Off you go. Come on. That's it. He's gone. I've got to adjust this wheel height. Oh, that's it. Let's try that. Not very glamorous hoovering today, because I'm scared that this hoover's going to explode. I don't know, is it meant to sound like that? Can I get the hang of this lever? well, it works, but it doesn't sound great, does it? I don't know what to do with it, to be honest. Sorry, Errol. Might get rid of it because I don't know what to do with it. It doesn't sound great, and I might use this hovering one now instead. Anyway, I'm gonna go put this Hoover away, and I don't know, go and relax, I guess. I got work tomorrow. Sorry about the boring Hoover videos, but thanks for watching. Bye.